Next we have team number 13, Arsalan, Chishti.
Hello everyone, my name is Arsalan Chishti. I just finished school day before yesterday. So my project is Vero, you'll be seeing it here. It's a business listing site, but actually why I made it is because I'm forgetting words. So what Vero will do is when you submit a business on Vero, it would like let me explain the APIs first, right? So when someone searches from Google like web developers, he doesn't have to type like web developers in Manipur, because I've used Google Maps API, which will automatically detect where the user is searching from and then give the data to Vero, and then Vero will generate the details like which are listed on Vero. So they will show the data according to that. And then how this would help is that and then I've also used Facebook metadata, which is like open graph location. So my project would be the first which would be using this, like implementing it virtually, like it would be actually using it for business purposes. So what would happen in that is when someone searches for a location, or the location gets shared from Vero to any social media site, what would happen is that they can actually browse to that location. They can get detailed data about like their distance to the location where it is, the location from the distance of location, and then they can actually like inside browsing. That's basically what is OG data about from this site. So you don't have to leave the site which you are friendly. You can get everything which is on this site to any of your favorite sites. Like you love Yahoo, everything which is here can be visible on Yahoo. Everything you love Google, everything which is here can be visible on Google too. So what would happen is that and then let me talk about SEO. When Google has this feature already, but how my project makes a difference is that as I told you, it displays geo-targeted like places which is listed on Vero. So what happens is when the normal thing which people do is like make their website 100% SEO proof, let's say, that when someone searches from web developers in Manipur, so their sites come up in the top. And then what about the new sites which have just started their business and they don't get seen, they don't get customers, the new customers who actually need their presence, they don't get customers. So what my site does is it displays all the I should say structured information. It would be displaying like data which they are searching. So from the place they are searching from. So that's basically about it. And then the revenue model. Can you switch it? Third tab. Scroll down a little bit. A little bit more. Yeah, you can see ads there. So that would be the main source of earning, and then there are premium plans where user can pay to like promote their business. I have partnered with more than 100 sites which are like premium publishers. They get around 100,000 views per day minimum. So they when they advertise, like for now this is free as the site is in beta. So when it releases, I would be adding plans, featured plans. They would be yearly subscriptions, like about $10 a year. So what would happen is that their places which are listed on Vero would get promoted on those sites too, as well as Vero and all the search engines. So basically the site is only about promoting your business. I don't actually tell anyone to come on the site and then do stuff, work around the site and discover new things. It's just when you come from Google here and you get all the information you're searching from, you can go back to where you came from, or you can go to their site, like to where they have provided their links. And like it makes easier for them to get customers, because if I start promoting my stuff rather than promoting their stuff, they get seen less. So what I do is, even if someone clicks on the maps, the view directions and stuff, everything opens up in the same browser, as I don't need any bounce rates or anything to make them stay on my site. The videos and all the other images open up in the same tab, so that they also don't lose any customers. And after that, second tab. So when someone submits their location, they would first add their company name, and then they would add their address, which would be like used in, I just mentioned Facebook Open Graph, and I will try to implement Twitter cards too, but then that's difficult. So next they would select where they will target their main customers from. Then they would add their contact address and all the other social links, and then they can and another revenue model that I would be introducing in future are agencies. Like people can actually open shops for Vero, and then they can make other people who have shops or businesses come online on Vero and then earn money out of it. Like they charge them the $100, and then Vero charges them $20, and then they earn the other remaining profit, they earn it. So that would be also introduced in the future versions, and they could people can add more visual feel, like by adding a photo, and then by adding more description, they can freely describe their products or startups. So and one more thing about how the site is made and how it is delivered to people. The site is basically made on 4 CMS. First it's Drupal, Joomla, then OpenCMS, and I've done some hardcore PHP. So what happens in that, I have installed everything in one location, which so what happens is, when someone tries to hack in through the site, how the site delivers itself to user, when you are browsing the site, page is automatically created for you only. So what happens is, if you hack this site, you're just hacking the page you're looking at. You're not actually hacking the servers or cracking into the site. You can't actually go to the site, because I have created I've created different SQL databases for every single thing you're seeing, for share buttons, for name, for description, all the information you see. Everything listed here has a different database. So what happens is, it would make it difficult for normal softwares or even hackers to do SQL injections. So it makes it hack proof. Basically, the site is completely secure and safe. No data gets stolen from this. So and also I've made a mobile app. It's an Android app, so people can use it as a directory app, and there is Just Dial and Yelp, so they can use it like that. So, and that's basically it about the project. Vero helps in promoting business and finding new customers which actually need them. Thank you.
Is this project live?
Sorry?
Is this running live?
Yeah, it is. You can see the domain is live.
Okay. So how are you positioning Vero? Are you positioning this as a search engine?
I'm not projecting Vero as a search engine. It is a place, kind of like a place where you can show. It's like a portfolio site. You are just displaying your material on one page, where people come on that and go to your site. I don't it's not a place where you do stuff around. You can add reviews and stuff, but then that's not the main source of what Vero is about. It's just you're displaying your stuff, and then people come here and then go to you. They don't need to do anything here.
So one last question.
Yeah.
You spoke about the difference between a search engine optimizer and your site. Right? So what is the key difference? I mean, how are you doing the geo what device are you using to identify the geolocation of the person who is browsing?
Yeah. This you can see a small logo over there on the URL bar corner. This one.
Okay.
This one.
The GPS tag.
Yeah. So basically, this is tracking where the user is currently from. So when you browse the site or when anyone else from Google, let's say, I'm using Google Maps API, which is helping me detect where the user is searching from, where the searches come from. So I don't actually need any geographic data to make Vero's page reach to you. The Google Maps API would automatically deliver my the listed pages on Vero to the person who's searching from that location.
Okay, so that's again using the IP address.
Yeah.
Good job.